Today I want to show you a quick and easy couscous recipe dish. Okay, this recipe can be a salad, can be a lunch, can be a dinner, can be whatever you want it to be. Okay, let's crack on. First, I want to show you how to cook couscous. So what I'm going to do half a kilo couscous, and this is going to be for 6 to 8 people. I want to make a big batch. Okay, we're going to have it tonight for dinner, but also I'm going to have it. I want us to have it tomorrow for lunch, and I'm okay with that. Okay, cooking in bulk is what I like, saving a bit of a time. So what we do first, going in couscous, half a kilo. Any regular couscous, whatever you got. So whatever, this is the secret, whatever amount of couscous goes in, so 500 grams of couscous, 500 milliliters of stock goes in. Okay, but before I put the stock in, I want to tell you a little secret. I put a little bit of garlic, which is kind of teaspoon of garlic. I use a tablespoon, but it's a teaspoon of garlic over. You put a pinch of black pepper. This is seasoning now. Just a little dry couscous. That's the secret here. And we do a little bit dry coriander. Okay, or this can be, if you don't have coriander, like mixed dry herbs or anything like that to give that flavor. So I do again teaspoon, I will say, but I'm just always doing it like this. And now goes 500 ml of stock. I already diluted a stock cube in there. So this all goes in. And what I'm going to do, I'm just stir it a little bit, all in together. Also, a tip here, before we do this, I put 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil. Okay, put it 2 teaspoons. What did I say? Tablespoons, sorry. I do mixing them up, and what we do here, just put it all together, and you put a lid on it for 5, 6, 7, no more than 10 minutes. Dish should be done and cooked. So basically this doesn't require cooking, it's just pouring hot water, hot stock on it, and that's it. And I'll see you in a second. Hi everybody, I'm back and couscous is ready. So what you do now with the couscous, you just fluff it up. So if you want to come a little bit closer, cameraman. So I already did it. It's fluffed up. You just fluff it up in all corners. It's quite a batch, as I said. It's half kilo here. I want to make it big, and I have, as I said, for lunch tomorrow. So now I already prep everything. You will get the recipe, people. No worries. I already cut everything, and I just want to show you now how I mix it all together. But it's pretty much, it's literally putting all ingredients together. I've got spring onion, 2 to 3 spring onions. I've got yellow pepper. I've got a red pepper for some color. I've got a red onion as well. Obviously, if you don't like onion, you can play here. You can do whatever ingredients you really like. To add a little bit of nuts, healthy nuts and healthy fats, I do peanuts. These are pine nuts, around 50 grams of pine nuts. Okay. What I also do is around 50 grams or half a cup of raisins, couscous and raisins, good marriage there. To increase protein intake, I just adding here chickpeas. That's 1 can of washed and drained chickpeas. Very important to drain and wash them, actually wash them really, really well. Okay, so that goes in. Also, you're getting your proteins in here. This is now really the wholesome meal here. What I'm also adding here is whole feta cheese. I just crumble feta cheese, so that goes in. Again, this can be omitted if you're not eating dairy products, but you know, it really goes well with this recipe. Also, what I did, I squeezed one whole juice of lemon. One whole lemon goes in, and that's pretty much it. I've got a chili here, but I will keep it because I've got a little one, so I won't cut chili, and I will do this separately. You know, individual, whoever wants chili will be on the table. So that's it. I'm just going to mix everything together so you can see how this look like. It is absolutely amazing, actually. They look fantastic. And yeah, big batch. Nobody will stay hungry, plus all healthy stuff. You're getting your fiber a day in terms of your veg here. You're getting some healthy carbs from couscous and healthy proteins that you find in chickpeas, in your cheese, and also nuts, pine nuts. You can put walnuts or any nuts that you like, but pine nuts go really well because it's a little bit Mediterranean affair going on here. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you soon. Stay well. See you soon. Bye bye.